Hey y'all, Wing Gobble here with a small nugget for big impact in your life. We're talking company culture, and the first thing you need to understand about developing an amazing company culture is this. Every single person who's in your organization should be able to rattle off the mission statement. Like just bloop, 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 bloop. It needs to come out in one sentence. It needs to be in plain, simple language so that everybody says it. Take, for example, NASA. When JFK set the sight that America would put a man on the moon, even the janitors, when you asked them what their jobs were, they said, I am here to help put a man on the moon, right? Everybody has their role to play in the central mission. So in your organization, what is that one simple statement that every single person can say? From the CEO down to the part-timer who only works, 2 hours a week doing something in the back room that nobody ever even sees. That person needs to be able to state the mission. Bloop, 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 bloop. That's how you create this culture inside of the building and outside in the community. And so when people think, I want to work at an organization that, provides people with disabilities opportunities to live their best life, they'll think of you, right? If it's, an energy company, we cut energy costs for every family by 40% when they walk through the door. Whatever your thing is, every single person has to be able to state it in simple language, and it needs to just roll off their tongues. So, take that small nugget, let it have huge impact in your organizations. If you've got a long mission statement, get rid of that thing. Cut it down to what people can talk about easily. All right, now take that small nugget, let it have huge impact.